Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making lobster tails. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 2 lobster tails, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To make the dipping butter, in a small bowl, combine the butter and lemon juice. Now add your parsley and garlic, then whisk until well combined. Separate 2 tablespoons of this butter and set it aside. We're going to use it to brush our lobster tails before cooking. Make sure you have rinsed your lobster tails, then pat them dry with paper towels. Turn your lobster over, then using a pair of shears, remove the legs. Now turn your lobster over and using the same kitchen shears, not a knife, carefully cut straight down the center of the shell. Make sure to start at the wide end near the back and cut towards the tail fin. Now repeat this process on both sides of your center line meeting at the tail. Now using your finger or spoon, carefully loosen the meat from the shell. You want to slide your finger underneath the lobster meat and gently separate it from the bottom shell. Make sure not to detach it from the base of the tail fin. You want to leave it connected there. Once the meat has loosened, lift it up gently and pull it upward and over the shell. Now again, we're going to take our kitchen shears and we're going to clean up all the excess and make it look pretty. Using the tablespoon of butter that we separated from our dipping butter, generously coat your lobster tails. Now season with the salt, pepper, and paprika. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe along with other great recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. Place the lobster tail in a baking dish, then transfer it to the oven that has been preheated to 400 degrees. Allow the lobster tails to cook for 15 minutes, or until it has an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps